What's the deal, R&B mob? It's your girl Bree. I haven't did that intro in so long. Dang. But y'all, I think Jerome went downstairs to tay&jass to see what they having for dinner. But I know we about to head out to this spot called the main event. And I thought before we leave, I do a little pranky prank on Jerome. So as y'all know, we had got a rental for the weekend, and it's a push to start, and you can't go nowhere without this key. So I was just gonna take it, probably put it in my bra or something, hide it, just so he won't know, get him to panicking, because he gonna be mad, like, oh man, we need that key to go somewhere. But y'all know, ain't nothing much. But I'm about to go ahead and do that thing. Go ahead and set up this camera though. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and set up this camera. Alright, y'all, got the camera set up. It's in my pants, bro. It's in my pants. What they having down there to eat?
They had like some chicken quesadillas type thing and some other shit. That's all I really seen with the chicken quesadillas. So I don't know. I might eat at the arcade, that main event. I might eat there.
Yeah, they probably got some pizza, low key.
Shit, that pizza that we had last time, that bitch was good as hell.
Oh, you talking about the one in Detroit?
No, the one at the main event we went to yesterday.
We went back. Oh yeah, we just went back there.
Yeah, that shit was fun. Shit.
You just want to play pool, like
Pool, bowling. Shit, these motherfuckers. Shit, I still got this old ass orange juice. You ready?
Yeah, where the key at?
Shit. I gave that bitch to you.
You did not get that key to me.
I gave it to you, babe. Remember I gave it to you when you was when we came in, it was a lot of people filling up all the parking spots, so we parked far back, and I told you, you know what, go back down there and park the car in the front, so that way, I'm pretty sure niggas left, so park the car in the front. You remember?
I mean, I parked it, but I had the key in here. You think I dropped it?
You better not have dropped it.
I think I did.
What the hell do you mean I think I did? No, you don't think you did that, nigga. What you mean you think you dropped it, bruh?
I think I dropped that bitch, bro.
Bro, how do you drop the key, bruh?
I said I think. I mean, it's probably in here, low key.
Where? Shit, find that motherfucker. Find that shit.
An ant was crawling on me, boy. That's way more important.
No, it ain't. Fuck that damn ant.
You a damn lie. That bitch was crawling on me.
Bro, that key, bro, listen.
Yeah, that's funny.
We can't go nowhere without that key. And then on top of that, bro, it's a rental, so we have to give that car back.
I mean, they get that shit back.
How they gonna get it back? It's gonna be stuck at the hotel. How they gonna get it back? It's gonna be stuck at the hotel.
The hotel and the airport is only like what, 10 feet away?
It's not 10 feet. It's not 10 feet away. The thing is, how's the car going to move if you don't have the key? The key has to be somewhere near you in your pocket for that shit to even unlock it. The key has to.
Look, listen, calm down. We'll have tay&jass take us to the airport. And we'll just go ahead and pay what, $55 for another key.
I'm not paying $55 because you want to drop the key. I'm not paying $55.
Low key, I think I dropped it in a puddle of water.
Stop fucking playing with me. Stop playing with me, Brittany.
I'm not playing.
You are very playing with me.
Okay, Jermaine.
Dog, where's that key?
Baby, I don't know. It's
you know where that shit at, bro. Where's that key at, bro?
Hold up, nigga. This is food you touching.
Nah. Hey, where's the key, bro?
Baby, I don't know. I think I really dropped it in some water.
Okay, if you dropped it in some water, why you ain't pick this shit up?
I did. When I had realized I dropped it, I went back out there while you was downstairs.
Okay, so where's that?
It's not out there. I don't know.
Bro. So, all niggas gotta do is pick that key up, hit the horn to see where the car is at, and they see that it's a nice ass Malibu.
But we parked in the back. That's why I was saying we should just go ahead and go up to the airport.
We didn't park in the back. Well, what did you do? Because I told you to bring the car back to the front, and see if it was any.
I brought it back to the front, but I had my purse in my hand, I had my phone, I had my wings.
So that means that somebody probably got that damn car. Because
nobody got that car.
If you dropped it in the water, if you say that you parked it in the front, and you dropped it in some water, you walked back up here, took the elevator, come all the way up, and then, so you mean to tell me that somebody did not pick that key up just to be, click the horn to see where it's at?
Maybe somebody turned it in at the front desk, baby.
Man, dog, that shit better be at the front desk, bro. Because if it ain't at the front desk, bro, you gonna be paying that $55.
I don't got no money. I don't get paid.
Well, I don't. Well, you have to pull that 55 out your ass. I don't know. Stop playing, bro. You taking this as a joking matter, bro. This is the dog. We need that key, bro.
Bruh.
What you mean they don't think it's that serious?
Why are you getting so mad at me? You should be like, baby, I understand that you lost the key.
No, you can't understand that because it's not our car. It's a rental.
Oh my God, everything don't never go right.
Because you freaking lost it. What are you talking about?
So now it's my fault. Why you couldn't have parked the car? None of this would have happened if you ain't parked the car.
I was about to take a shower. That's why I told you to do it. You already took your shower and everything. You was good. So I'm like, okay, I'm about to get in the shower. We can kill two birds with one stone. I'm about to take my shower, get ready, and you could park the goddamn car to the front. So that way we ain't walking all the way around to the back to get the car. We could just park in the front.
Oh, okay. I didn't know this. I didn't know why I thought you just wanted me to.
Bro, you lost the key. Bro, I'm asleep. How do you even lose the key, bro? God damn. How's that? That's not being over dramatic, Brittany. You don't understand.
Okay,
bruh.
so I'll call. You want me to call Mom and Pops and tell them?
I don't even want to hear their mouth, bruh. They gonna flip. So have you ever took a shit where it dropped in the water and it was like bloop? You heard that, right?
Yeah.
So how can you not hear the key drop in the puddle?
I heard it. That's why I went to the lobby desk. I put my stuff down. As soon as I went back outside to call, I mean, it probably took me a minute to go back outside because the lady was asking me what I was looking for. And I was like, I'm looking for my key. And I was like, oh, it's not out here. So I had went to the back to see, I went outside to see if it fell. And when I went, I retraced my steps and everything. I did not see that key.
Bro, we have to find that goddamn key. We have to find that key.
Maybe somebody picked it up and turned it in. I really hope so because I don't have $55. Maybe Mommy possibly was $55. They the reason why we came anyway. It's not in here.
Man, dog.
Maybe don't tear up the room because it's not in here.
Dog. Bro, we gotta find that key, bro. I told you, this is a rental. It's not like it's our car.
I understand. I'm sorry.
If you understand, Brittany, you would feel a little more,
I do. I'm as savage fuck as you is. I'm the most responsible person you know.
No.
Yes.
Because if you was, nigga, the key would be sitting right here.
Okay, the key is sitting right there.
Where? How?
It's right under that fucking bed.
How? I don't see no key.
Look harder.
I don't see no key, bro. This is a glass, a cup, a 2 liter, a perfume bottle, a coffee cup, and another coffee cup, my badge, rubber band, keys.
Extra.
But these ain't the keys that I need.
Oh, this is the keys. It's a Chevy.
No, I don't.
I could have sworn these was the keys.
The car that we have is a Malibu, right?
Yeah,
It's a 2016 Malibu. It is a push to start. I don't need this key right here. If I have a push to start, I don't need this. All I need is the keypad.
Well, you wanted to be all fucking high tech and shit and getting the fucking push to start, knowing goddamn well we too goddamn irresponsible for a goddamn push to start.
No. It ain't weed. It ain't weed. This ain't French class. This is not a weed thing. This was you. This is your fault.
Okay, well go.
You dropped the goddamn keypad.
Okay, I'll give y'all the money back.
God damn, man. That's damn, man. It gotta be somewhere, bruh. There's no way. This is our last day in Atlanta.
I know.
This is our last day in Atlanta. We turn the cars in tomorrow at what mom say 5, 6 in the morning? So you mean tell me what time is it? It's like 9 something? What time is it? 9:14. So we got 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 9 hours. Oh my God. I cannot believe this. You couldn't lose the key Friday, so that way we can have that way we can have the whole day Saturday to look for this motherfucker. You want to lose this shit today when we gotta turn the cars in tomorrow? Are you freaking kidding me?
Baby, I'm sorry.
Man, Brittany, please, can you stand the hell back?
Baby, I'm sorry.
Oh, no.
Baby, I'm sorry.
If you're sorry, you will find that key. That's what you will. If you were sorry, you will find the key, bro.
Just hug me.
Brittany, bro, I need that key, bro.
Baby, give me a kiss.
Brittany, I need that key.
Baby, I just want. Okay,
Brittany,
I will help you find it.
Brittany, I need
baby,
that
just
key.
Please calm down, baby.
Brittany, I need that.
Baby, I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry I just pranked your ass.
Need some milk.
Woo! Y'all.
Why you gotta play like that, bruh? Why you gotta play like that, man? My fucking heart was beating fast as hell, bruh.
Your heart is skipping beats.
Nigga, goddamn key. Shit. Yeah, we need this key. Shit.
Who got that ass? Who got that ass? R&B, ma.
Nigga sweating and shit.
Bree got that.
God damn.
Bree always come with the bangers. Like you said, pull the banger out the bag.
Oh. You can't pull the bangers off the stack.
I pulled it.
Only
Had that heart skipping 5 beats,
only
boy.
Team Rome can pull bangers
Nah,
off the stack.
I had that heart beating.
That's okay. That's alright. That's alright. I mean, you gotta understand, bro. I come even hard. You know what? Look, man. This is not over, bro. This is prank war, man. Okay? You think that you think you got the upper hand?
Okay.
Think again, Johnny.
All
you
right.
don't have the upper hand.
All right.
That was a cute little prank though. Right. You got me. You got me. It's Team Brii for right now.
All right, y'all.
Ain't gonna last long, but you know.
Excuse me.
What you doing? Give my 50 cents.
R&B mob. Like, comment, spam the comments with Team Brii all day, man. Get the fuck out.
Blah blah blase.
Y'all already know who it is. It's Brii and this boy. I'm about to go ahead and head out, and I'm about to leave your boy Rome with that salty face over there.
Look, man. Still, you know, I'm still swagged
Didn't even
out.
catch the shirt.
Hold on. Look, I'm swagged out either way. She could prank me, but I'm still swagged out though. You feel me? I'm still swagged out. It is what it is. Yeah, she got me, but I'm still swagged out. Feel me? Hey, yo, man, you know what? Look, man. Even though it is her video, like, comment, subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Share the video. You know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell, man. Be the
First one to see it, first ones to grab it.
There you go. You know, well, we ain't selling DVDs, so you'll be the first ones to see it, the first ones to get it.
Oh, y'all, this piercing not new, by the way. Been had it pierced, just haven't had a ring for it. My nose sore. But y'all, we're gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Thank you guys for watching.
It's the key. It's the keypad.
I love y'all. Good night.